Hey ladies! Fort Santiago. Wait. Sabet!
Goodness. One plastic trolley. May gawin dapat ate?
Kita mo siya.
Saan lagi tayo?
Kita mo siya. Soldiers.
Wow. Antay mo itong
How many people died here?
I don't know. That's scary.
Kinikilabutan ako, te.
Ba't may tubig?
Nasusuffocate ako.
Dapat ka equality kung ano, history ako. Isurat na kumamot mo niya dito eh. What is this? Oh goodness.
Labas na tayo dito.
No, okay. That's so scary.
Labasan!
Are you sure?
Exit!
This is the Spanish building block. So this is commonly used by the Philippine regular forces. So Philippine Army. Most nagkakahanas rin po, they use this kasi ito po yung issued sa mga Filipino soldiers nung Spanish time. So this is a single shot. Ito po yung bayonet. So there is a bayonet included here po. So ito naman po, Spanish Mauser. So this is a bolt action system. So 5 rounds, pwedeng sabay, tuloy-tuloy yung pagputok. Then late issue na po siya sa mga sundalo kasi po this was issued sa mga Spanish regular forces, sa mga Spanish na rin. Then ito po late entry and hindi siya common sa mga Filipino soldiers since yun nga, bago. Tapos mahirap rin po, may mga webbings po sana kasi wala kami mapakita sa tayo. So ito po, this was used by the Americans during the early period of the war. But they still use this, pero po they were phased out in favor of Krag. So yung Krag na nakita nyo sa General Luna, yung bolt action rifle. Ito naman po, this was a converted musket. Kung alam niyo po yung musket, yun po yung nilalagyan pa ng gunpowder tapos nire-reload sa taas. Ito naman po, converted musket from the Springfield musket. So this is a trapdoor. Bale, dito yung po ilalagay yung bala. Single shot lang siya, katulad ng Filipino rifle. Then, balik, cock yung hammer, tapos putok, tapos repeat. So, kaya tayo siyang tinawag na trapdoor kasi para sa trap.
Do they work?
This is ano lang po, replica lang. So, this is not
So
a
it's
real
not-
rifle po. And po, used by the American soldiers.
Ginagamit ko rin po ba yung ginagawa?
rounds, pwedeng sabay, tuloy-tuloy yung pagputok. Then, late issue na po siya sa mga sundalo. Kasi po, I think, it was issued sa mga Spanish regular forces, ng mga Spanish talaga. Then,
ang batang general.
ito po, late in the end, hindi siya common.
Puso